the Indian women's hockey team have lost the semi-final match to Argentina in Tokyo Olympic Games. They thereby will not be playing for the gold medal match. They will be, however, playing for a bronze medal. I have with me Nikhil Nas, senior sports journalist, on the line with me. Nikhil, in the dying moments, the Indians were trying to get a penalty corner. In fact, they got a penalty corner, but that was saved. A little bit unlucky there, the Indian team, you would say today?
Rika, yes, that last dying second appeal for the penalty corner, that was hoping against hope, and it did go to the video referral. India had one video referral left, so they used it, but in the end didn't get that penalty corner, and in the end you have to say a right decision was made, but that deflection in the dying second for which they asked a penalty corner could have gone either way. Outstanding save there by the Argentinian keeper. Had that, been just slightly inches off to her left or to the right, it well could have been that equalizer, and then we knew that because in hockey you don't have extra time, you would have gone into the penalty shootout. But overall, you'd have to, if you were to look at this game objectively, you'd have to say that Argentina were the better team. India, yes, did go ahead just as they did with Australia. The only difference was that against Australia, they came up with great saves. They gave away too many penalty corners, but came up with great saves. That couldn't happen this time, and Argentina did their well to convert those two penalty corners. And I think that was the big difference. And once Argentina went ahead, I think that's where their superiority really came into play. How they were able to control the pace of the game, how they were able to control the midfield of the game. And this is what India tried to do when they were leading, but could not. And this is where the Argentinian team were far more successful, and which is why they are the deserved winners, you would have to say now.